The brand new RailMab 915, the next generation model of our electric-driven rail drilling machine. 36mm diameter core drilling capacity. $30mm cutting depth capacity. Easy clamping and declamping. Simply better drilling. Special clamp and rail adapter. Carbon brush wear indicator. Morse Taper 3 machine. Oil bath gearbox. Lightweight machine. Full wave control electronics. Variable speed and torque controls. New RailMab 915, lightweight, electric-driven rail drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.